Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So we're basically just drifting down inside a channel, and for me the key area is all the way down here at 5200. So 5200 is the line in the sand for me, but if there is a break and a retest of some structure higher up, then that would also be what you should be looking for. So here's your channel. Textbook stuff at the moment. We are coming up to Easter, and obviously there will be some reduced trading on Friday and next Monday. So volumes will be low, but for me at the moment, this area at 5200, it's actually 5195 to be exact, but this is the area to be paying attention to. Watch the oscillators here on the 3 hour. They have separated, and they're starting to drift apart quite nicely. Watch this very carefully, because if it crosses over like this, it's going to be a fairly strong move to the upside. So the data is supporting this at the moment. The only thing that's against us is the dollar versus euro, dollar versus the Swiss franc, etc. And then that's because the European currencies are weakening after data last week. So for me, Friday was a no-go, as you can see. Nothing there. There's no structure to the left. So what you're looking for, I think that would probably be, let's just get this right. So there's a bit of a zone ahead of you at 5250, 5244. But 5250 would be the area that I'd be looking for. So I'd want to see a break above that, a pullback to come and test something in this zone at 5250, 5244, and that would be the trigger for the longs. Not looking to short this, that would be against the trend. You can see we do have a bit of a crossover here of the moving averages, but the 15-minute is kind of all over the place at the moment. So you can see above and below the moving averages on Friday, and again you see these two levels that I'm referring to. Just going to put it onto the pin bar here, so that should be 52.44. 52.45 is probably what you should be paying attention to. So that's the only opportunities that I see at the moment. I don't think I want to be shorting this, because you're probably going to be held up by the channel. So this diagonal support you can see all the way down here. So the moves to the downside I think are going to be short-lived. I don't think we're going to break to come all the way down here to 5200. So we may just drift down there through the week, but I suppose today being Monday, it should be a fairly quiet day. There's no noise that's going to impact us at all. And yeah, that's kind of my view. Definitely not looking to buy off the bottom here. There is no structure, as you can see. There's lots of gaps here. Closest structure is all the way down at 5200. So yeah, it's a wait and see game again today. If we break through this 5250 area, come back and find support, that I will take as a flag break, and then we'll be piling in for the longs. But if we reject this area and drift lower, I'm not really looking for those shorts, because I think you're going to be ambushed somewhere lower down, because this is not conducive to a move to the downside at the moment. This is really just drifting sideways, to be honest. Okay, so anyway, so that's kind of my view today. Let's wait and see until we start breaking structure to the upside. Then we'll be looking for longs, not looking for shorts. Otherwise, if we do get a quick move to the downside to 5200, then I'll be looking to buy down there. I definitely would have a limit order in at 5200 to see what happens. Even if it's just a bounce to the upside and then a couple of retests of that, I think it's a strong area of support, perfect area to be buying. Anyway, until then, it is sit on your hands and wait for the structure to happen. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.